In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an Apple Store employee. Now, whether you've been a long-time Apple enthusiast or just love the idea of helping people find what they need in a tech-savvy environment, landing a spot in an Apple Store can be an exciting and fulfilling journey. Let's go through the steps so you can get started on this path. The first thing you want to do is visit apple.com/careers. This is where it all begins. The Apple Careers page is your gateway to the world of Apple job opportunities. So make sure you take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar. Go ahead and tap on search. This will allow us to delve deeper into the specific job categories available at Apple. Now that you're in the search functionality, it's crucial to narrow your options to retail jobs. This is done by setting the appropriate filters. Tap on filter, then teams, and from there choose view all teams. In this section, you want to select Apple Retail. This step aligns all the job openings that specifically cater to the various roles in the retail environment. As you filter down to Apple Retail, you'll be presented with a couple of options: sales, support, and leadership. These categories encapsulate the breadth of retail roles, each with unique focuses and opportunities for growth. After you've selected the area that best fits your interest or expertise, the next step is to finalize these preferences. Tap on Save and Apply filters so your search results reflect the types of jobs you're genuinely interested in. With this focus, it's time to choose a position that speaks to you. As you explore available roles, you might come across titles like Specialist, Genius, or Manager. Each role offers a different perspective and responsibility within the Apple Store, so tap on any role that intrigues you to view the details. This will help you understand the requirements and expectations for that position, ensuring it's a good fit for you. Once you've decided on a role you'd like to pursue, it's time to act. You'll find a Submit Resume or Apply button. You'll want to click on that. Afterward, the system will prompt you to search for and choose a preferred job location. Once done, tap Continue. To proceed, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, there's an option to create it. Follow the prompts to complete your application. Each step is designed to ensure Apple finds candidates like you who are aligned with their values and vision. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be well on your way to potentially joining the Apple Store team. Good luck with your application, and I hope to see you thriving in your new Apple journey soon.